is a journey they never end. So stay prepared. Math and science help us grow. Knowledge is always shared. Reading books expands your mind, filling it with bright ideas. History teaches lessons learned from past mistakes and fears.
Practice makes you better, so keep going, don't give up. Curiosity sparks new thoughts, lighting paths to rise above. Writing words with meaning shapes the world in many ways. Hard work and patience turn your dreams into bright days. Ask good questions, seek the truth, and think things through. Education opens doors and lets you chase what's true.